See student, class 3rd, subject social studies, lesson number 1, some important rules. Accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning to us. Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness. To avoid an accident, we should be careful and to be alert. We should follow safety rules all the time and everywhere. Here are some safety rules to be followed while traveling in bus, on the road, or in the playground, at the classroom, and in the class. Here are the rules at the home. Never leave the floor weight. You may sleep. If you keep your floor weight, then you may sleep down. Definitely. So don't leave your floor weight. Now next, keep your toes at their place. You may trip and fall over them. If you keep your toys here and there, then you may fall down from that. Next, never touch electricity wire, plugs, heaters and hot irons with wet hands. This can give you us an electric shock. Got it? If you will touch the plugs, wires with the wet hand, then you will get by that electric shock. So stay away from this. Never touch the damaged electric wires. Never touch the knobs of gas burners. Open all the windows and doors in case of any gas leakage. Do not light matchstick, lighters or turn on electric switches when this situation is there. So you have to follow all these rules. See, once again I am repeating. Never touch a damaged electric wires. Never touch the knobs of the gas burners. Open all the windows and doors in case of gas leakage. Do not light matchstick or lighters or turn on the electric switches. You have to follow these things properly in your house. Understood? Okay. Next thing, what you have to do? Don't play with the fire. Don't play with the fire. Do not use the synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. Do you understand? When you are working in the kitchen, do not use the synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. Never play with sharp objects like knives, blades and scissors. They can cause cuts and wounds if you will use these things. It having the very sharp edges. If you will play with those, then what will happen? They will cut your skin. Next, do not eat any medicine unless given by parents or doctors. If any medicines at your home, don't touch it without the permission of your parents or doctors. Second thing, do not burn the crackers unless supervised by an adult. If any adult is not there with you, then do not burn the crackers. Do not go into the deep part of a swimming pool without the supervision of an adult. See, if there is no any adult with you, then don't go for the swimming or don't go in the part of the swimming pool which is a deeper one. Understood? If you are the new learner. Once again I am repeating those all the rules. Do not eat any medicine unless given by parents or doctor. Do not burn crackers unless supervised by an adult. Do not go into the deep part of a swimming pool without the supervision of an adult. I hope you will follow these all rules properly. Now we have to see the rules in school. Do not push anybody on the stairs, even in fun. They may get hurt. If you will push anybody from the stairs, then they may get the hurt. So that's why do not push anybody, even in the fun also. I observed that many of you, they are doing the fun with each other, and you are pushing to each other. So don't do the student like this. It is the very bad habit. Don't make this. Do not rush or push while going in and out of the classroom. Always walk in a queue. You have to be a habitual of this. Teachers are giving the instructions every time that make a line and then you have to come out from your class. But no one is listening like this. Every time you need the teacher. Next, take care of school property. Do not jump on or run about benches. Some students, they were playing into the classroom, and by that only you are getting the hurt. So do not jump on that. Don't run across the classroom. So take care of the school properties. Understood? You will follow this. I hope so. Uh, you also take care of the walls of the school. Some students, they are making the drawing on the walls of the school. Do not make the class dirty by throwing the things around. You should keep your classroom very clean. Don't throw anything around it. And do not play rough games like throwing things at each other. You're throwing things at each other. You're making the fun whenever recess is there. If you will throw anything, then what will happen? Last year we have seen that in the second standard, one boy has thrown the pencil and that pencil has damaged his skin. Next, obey teachers and follow the school rules. This is the most important rule that you have to keep in your mind. That is, obey teachers and follow the school rules. See, students, you have to follow it from the assembly to the last recess, that is when your school is get over. Up to that you have to follow the teachers instructions, schools rules, and obey the teachers instructions. I hope you will be do this. Hopefully I am waiting for you in the school. Rules on the road. Always use zebra crossing to cross the road. Yes, see student, if you want to cross the road, you should use the zebra crossing. Otherwise, if there are the subways or any over bridges, on that you have to go and you have to use those places. Next, that is, always walk on the footpath. Do not run or play on the road. Always follow the traffic lights, traffic signals, and traffic rules. You have to follow traffic signals, that is red, green, and yellow. Red says stop, yellow says wait, in this way. Rules on the road, that is, do not put your head and hand out of a moving vehicle. See, if you will lean out of vehicle, then other vehicle will come there and it will get accidents. Never disturb the driver while he or she is driving. If you do that, then their attention must be get fluctuated. So don't do this. Do not get in or out of a moving vehicle. If you are trying for this, then it will get accident. Even don't stand on the footboard of the bus. Rules in the community. Show respect and care for everybody. Always help the ones in the need. maintain the peace and harmony in the community. See, we are living in the society and we are having the lot of people around us, which peoples are weak men, which are the old age people. You should help them if they need your help. Okay, show the respect and care for the everybody. एंड ये जो हमारी कम्युनिटी है उसमें पीस एंड हार्मोनी बनाए रखने के लिए हम लोग ही जिम्मेदारी उठाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Do not litter. Keep your surroundings clean. Use dustbin to throw garbage. Do not harm public property. If you are eating anything, don't throw the wrappers and peels on the ground. It will make that ground or place very dirty. Instead of throwing those things on the ground, you should use the dustbin to throw it. Then that place will get the very clean. Rules and duties. For a healthy, safe, and comfortable living, we should make these rules our duties. Duties are our moral responsibilities. By following these duties, we work for the well-being of one and all. Say student, see here is a lesson is